guys, what's up? I'm Shriza here. So today I'm going to show you a recipe which is really tasty, and it's a cheese paneer toast, veggie cheese paneer toast, and this is my mom's recipe, and me and my mom made it and it was really tasty. So let's get started to make this amazing veggie cheese paneer toast. So you will need paneer, onions, then you will need some boiled baby corns, capsicum, tomatoes, butter, mayonnaise, and some chili flakes, oregano, and mixed herbs, and some salt to taste. Also need brown bread and a bowl and a spatula for mixing. You can also use a spoon. So first of all, add the onions, then capsicum, then add the baby corn, boiled baby corns. Then you need to add the paneer, my favorite part. And then you need to add salt, oregano, mixed herbs, and chili flakes according to your taste. It depends on your taste, so add it according to your taste. And then at last you need to add the tomatoes and mix all these ingredients and veggies, and then comes the tastiest ingredient, mayonnaise. So now add mayonnaise. And I forgot to tell you that you will also need cheese, as it is a veggie cheese paneer toast, of course. So then you need to spread butter on your brown bread, and then you need to add our mix which we made. Breads are all completed, and I added the cheese, a slice of cheese, and then you need to bake this in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees. So our veggie cheese paneer toasts are all completed, baked, and these were really tasty. You need to try this at your home, and of course don't sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And I hope you like this recipe, and be sure to try it at home, and also comment down below whether you liked it or not. And big credits goes to my mom, as it was of course her recipe and it was really tasty. And be sure to subscribe to Super Desai Sisters by clicking on this button, and also check out our other videos. Goodbye, see you in the next video.